Back with another idiom conversation. And today we have one no, two no, three idioms plus three conversations. And also you have to subscribe because learning has a part of three today. The habit. About what? That each one who is watching a video will be liking it. How is you sure? Because today's video will be a great fun. Yeah, it's true. So let's get into it. Okay. That's it. Hi Dee, what are you busy doing? Nothing much, dear. Actually, I was just planning to invite some of mine and your friends for a get-together. Wow, what an amazing idea. Have you asked Mom about it? Do you really think I would dare to do something like that without asking her? No way. Okay, tell me, what's the plan? So basically, we will call it a spring party. We are gonna decorate the party hall with colorful and blossoming flowers and confetti, of course. Then, as spring is a season of colors, right? I have an idea to make it really exciting. Yeah, please go ahead. Do you remember last year Aradhya gave the party? Yeah. She organized a special gaming junction that for entertainment, which was a great attraction. Can we have the same gaming junction in our living room? You know, that was the best party I ever had. Your idea is good, but I must tell you the fact here that grass always looks greener on the other side of the hill. Because of that gaming junction, a lot of fuss was created at the end of the party by some of her friends. They fought up over the prizes because it was not properly organized and nobody was leading that. I remember the stupid fight between Aradhya and Samina. That was really disappointing. Yes. So dear, you don't bother. We will organize the party in our way and the best way. Pinky promise? Yeah, I promise you. You're the night. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I want. Wait. Yeah. Whenever I ask you that surprise for Mama Papa's anniversary, you don't tell me. Why? Give reason. Do I really need to give you the reason for that? Last time, ma'am, if you remember, I specifically told you to not disclose my surprise to anyone. But you ruined my whole plan beforehand. And my surprise became a public news. So I don't want to let the same happen this time also. Okay. So when are you going to tell me finally? Have patience, my dear. I'm going to spill the beans soon. But till that time, you have to wait and watch what's my surprise. I'm really excited. Don't take me wrong, Rachita, but I really want it to be the surprise till the end. So okay. Oh my God, that's so funny. Mom, can you please bring me some chips? Oh my God, it was so tiring. Rachita, give it to me. What happened, Dee? Rachita, whenever I come back from my classes, you're sitting here and watching television. Like always. But they are love watching TV. Look, Gokuldam Society is planning to go to Singapore. And Rachita, stop it. Do you even realize that you have become a couch potato? Sitting here all the time and watching television and ordering Mom for food. Stop it, my dear. Now go out and play. It's better. Play anything you want, but physical exercise is very important for you. Okay, switch it off. I knew that you would like the video. Yes, and I also hope that you understood the meaning of all the three idioms while we were conversing. But still, I want you to know the exact meaning of those idioms. So let's start with the first one.
always looks greener on the other side of the hill.
So the meaning of this idiom is that the things look more appealing which we do not own than the things we own. The second one, Rachita?
A couch potato.
The meaning of this idiom is like funny and also very simple. It is used for a person doing less or no exercise and sitting on a couch and always watching television. Yes.
The third one, to spill the beans.
Okay. So the meaning of this idiom is to reveal any secret information unintentionally. Yeah. So keep watching our videos and also watch a new series that is the word of the day for improving your vocabulary in English.